To address the error code F7 issue on an LG stove, it's essential to understand what this error code signifies. Essentially, error code F7 indicates a fault with the upper convection fan, resulting in the unit failing to heat. This issue can be caused by damage or faults in the heating elements or the stove sensor. To resolve this problem, start by resetting the stove. When the error code appears and the stove begins beeping, silence the alarm by pressing the clear or off button. Next, disconnect the power supply by unplugging the stove from the socket or switching it off at the circuit breaker. Allow the stove to reset for up to 5 minutes before reconnecting the power supply. Turn the appliance back on and observe its operation for a while. If the reset is successful, the stove should function normally. However, if the error code persists, it's necessary to contact a professional for further assistance and repair.